Hi everyone, and welcome to NCDOT Now. I'm Lauren Havland. North Carolina is still feeling the impact of the state's first major storm of the season, Debby.
Thousands of department employees prepared for the storm across the state and continue to respond. NCDOT urges drivers to stay off the roads during inclement weather unless necessary. If you must go out and you encounter a road covered in water or a road closed sign, remember, turn around, don't drown. For the latest road conditions, visit drivenc.gov. NCDOT is asking citizens to complete its annual customer service survey. The department is working to ensure we're doing everything we can to make the transportation system the best it can be.
Having a good transportation system provides us mobility, gives us access to jobs, schools, and recreation. It is vital to our economy and the quality of life that makes North Carolina so special.
The survey is available through October 15th and can be completed on your computer or mobile device by visiting ncdot.gov and searching Customer Service. NCDOT honored 3 men in recent ceremonies across the state. A pair of bridges in Cabarrus County now bear the name of fallen Sheriff's Deputy Lieutenant Robert Eury, while another bridge across the state in Wayne County memorializes Sergeant Matthew R. Fishman. Also, former Congressman David Price now has Durham County's Interstate 40 and US 1550 interchange named after him.
That's all for this week's NCDOT Now. Safe travels, everyone.